Kuyaqhubeka ukuvunwa kwezithelo ezisawolintshi kulendawo iGamtus. Izisebenzi ezisebenza ngezinkathi zonyaka ezithize zihlala elokishini iRamaphosa nokuyindawo enesibalo esiphezulu sabantu. Manje sebenendawo eseduze abazokwamukelwa kuyo uma behaqwa igciwane icorona.
We are 50 kilometers away from our nearest hospital, and the bigger facility is 100 kilometers away from us. So if we send a patient to one of these facilities, we have found that sometimes we have difficulty to get hold of them. They kind of get loose into the system. And with this COVID corona in our community or in the whole world, there was quite a bit of fear in our community.
Lendawo inembhede engamashumi. Udokotela uSkuman nguyena dokotela ozobheka iziguli. Lo mklamo uxhaswe abalimi.
So we supported her in terms of getting hold of this place or to get the power on, to have the whole area cleaned up, painted.
Wonke umphakathi uzohlomula.
We want to thank them very much, and also we want also to thank the Premier Oscar Mabuyane for playing a vital role here of assisting us for electricity.
Bayisikhombisa abantu asebehaqwe isifo iCOVID-19 eGamtus. Bonke bahlaliswe endaweni yabo bodwa.